So let's go Bey hunting. Let's go. So let's find the Beyblade. Okay, so let's go. Let's find a Beyblade. We are going to second floor, man. I will update you guys. Where is the Beyblade? Oh no, mali yata tayo ng punta. Nasa Barbie tayo. Which is, there is some Beyblade, string launcher, and I don't know the name. Then this some starter packs, wizard around them, light shield. There's no drum sword. I hear drum sword. Some starter packs, and here's rhino horn. So that's it, guys. And no more bears, guys. And and some Beyblade X, some starter triple set. What the heck, bro? 3,499, and I don't know the dollars. Night shield, shark edge, some random booster, and then wizard arrow. Let's look the wizard arrow. So this is the stock combo. And then let's check the string launcher. There's 499. And let's check night. Oh, there is some hell sight. There's some hell sight, man. Oh, starter packs, hell sight. What the heck, bro? And rhino horn, string launcher. Oh, what is this bay? And night shield recolor, and then wizard arrow recolor. All this, and some triple set. This is trash, yeah. And here's all of the Beyblade. And thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. So guys, wala silang wala silang yung ay, wala pala, kompleto pala, guys. So yun lang, guys. Bye bye.